Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of our 4-part series on renovation mortgages. This week we're going to get into a little bit of the different types of renovation loan programs that are out there, and we're going to compare and contrast them a little bit and talk about how to choose the best one for yourself. So let's get started. One of the most popular renovation options is an FHA 203K rehabilitation loan. A lot of times you'll just hear it referred to as a 203K. This option, FHA actually offers two types of a rehab option for this. There's one called the limited, and there's also one called the standard. Your limited rehab option is going to be for repairs that are under $35,000. They're not structural in nature, and they're basically cosmetic, minor upgrades, things of that nature. Your standard is going to be for your more costly projects, or when you're doing anything structural at all to the home, or septic repairs. So when the project's a little more involved, you're going to be looking at a standard FHA 203K. Another popular product is a Fannie Mae HomeStyle renovation mortgage. This is a conventional mortgage, and this program might offer you a little bit more flexibility when it comes to rehabilitation items than FHA will offer you. They'll also offer a little bit more flexibility with who they will allow to be a contractor on the project. So that could be a consideration for the Fannie Mae option. For all you veterans out there, the VA also offers a rehabilitation loan. This is great for you veterans because it's still 0% down and there is still no monthly mortgage insurance requirement. So great option for veterans. And lastly, USDA also offers a renovation product. This is also insured by the federal government. It's insured by the United States Department of Agriculture. This option is also zero down, but there are certain requirements that need to be met. The home has to be in what is considered a rural area by USDA, and there's also household income limits that need to be met in order to qualify for this type of program. So choosing the best option for you is going to come down to a couple of things. Your budget and your affordability. What FHA is going to have a little bit more of a lenient debt to income ratio than these other programs. So if you need to get your amount a little bit higher, FHA might be your best option. Down payment requirement might be an option. Fannie Mae HomeStyle is generally going to require a 5% down payment as to FHA's 3.5% down. But Fannie Mae HomeStyle also does have allowances for first-time homebuyers or low to moderate income buyers to do 3% down. So that also could be an option. Obviously for VA, you need to be a veteran, and like I mentioned with USDA, the property and income eligibility requirements. So the next thing you're going to want to look at too when you're choosing the correct renovation mortgage is, what are your renovation goals? Do you need a program that's going to be a little bit more flexible to allow you more customization than, say, FHA might allow? And lastly, we also have to look at your eligibility requirements because each program has different qualifying criteria. So my suggestion is talk to your loan officer, see which program fits you the best, and see what you can get pre-approved for. Thanks everyone, and stay tuned for next week. Bye.